All right, guys, we're going to take a look at some of the cryptos on the weekend. These are the cryptos that I got on my watch list. So first, we're going to take a look at Trump. This Trump's coin, official meme coin he launched, which is absolutely insane just to think about. Now, as of now, it does not appear that the president is rugging people. Right now, it seems like they're letting it ride. They took a bit off the table from what it looks like, or I saw someone online talking about it. But as of now, they're not rugging this chart and they're letting it run. It's looking pretty strong here. Now we had high volume somewhere around this area near the highs, and we're getting higher volume again. But this time around, on this second visit to these levels, it's requiring less money to push it up. That likely means not a lot of people are selling. It looks like they're holding on to this thing right now. And so that's a 30-minute time frame. We got to look at these short time frames. Could be a bull flag on the 4-hour time frame. On the hourly also could be a bull flag. We could draw it out potentially, and it's getting a little bit of a breakout here. I don't know if it's a good idea to chase this breakout here. Maybe wait for a little bit of a healthy pullback and some consolidation would probably be the most ideal scenario in my view. If it just kind of pulled back a little bit and consolidated here and then made like another mini bull flag and then busted out to a new high, that would look the best and most promising to me. You don't want to see a big pullback or a big upper wick. That wouldn't look too good. And you know, it could come back and retest the previous breakout point, but and ideally would at least hold that area, the previous breakout point. But I think the most healthy was just a slight pullback, make a mini bull flag, and then explosive move to new highs if that's what the bulls are indeed going to do. So if Trump and his boys, they own 80% of the float here. And if they're not selling, if they're letting it ride, this thing could continue to run because they're holding on to the bulk of it. So that's if they don't rug people, it could run. So anyways, something to keep an eye on, the Trump coin. Where you can trade it, I think on Binance you can, but it's banned in Canada. Kraken apparently. I'm not really sure what else. Moonshot. I don't have Kraken. I don't have Moonshot. I'm not recommending them. I've only had Binance. I still have a Binance account, but it's banned in Canada, so I can't even use it if I wanted to. Or it's banned in Ontario. I don't know if it's banned in every province. Some provinces it's not. Anyways, as if you want to trade it, you're going to need one of those platforms, it looks like. I'm not trading it myself. Coin. Oddly, I mean, just feel weird talking about it. Still holding up quite good. A lot of money is going into these little meme stupid stuff. We did get a little bit higher volume yesterday. Might get a pullback here. We got the red line at 153. I mean, obviously it seems like a pure scam, but you know, in this crypto market, I mean, it seems like anything is possible. So, but right now I probably wouldn't chase it here. But I do think, I was thinking, like, if the crypto market is this ridiculous where Trump could just issue a coin and it's instantly worth $15 billion, then, you know, why can't Coin go to 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 billion? I mean, who the heck knows now with what's going on? It's wild. So Coin, most of the volume at the lows, declining volume on the way up, and it's holding up quite good. So I don't see any real big red flags as of now, and it still looks overall pretty healthy. Another one that looked, you know, then XRP. I still like XRP. It's holding up really good. I think it needs a little bit more consolidation. If it holds up around here for a few days, and again, we had a big bull flag form on the weekly time frame. It broke out very clear. Now what you want to see is similar to what I was explaining on Trump. You know, a little bit of another mini bull flag and then explode to new highs. And so this still looks very healthy to me overall. There was a pullback, but lower wick of bulls buying the dip. As of now, it's holding at least the 8-day moving average. It's riding in the upper Bollinger Band. There was a bit of a volume spike at that high and indecision candlestick, which is why we're getting some consolidation. That doesn't necessarily mean that's the top. that just means that, okay, we're going to cool off for a bit, and then we'll watch to see whether we break out to a new high or whether this whole thing was a fake out and it's going to bust back down. I'm leaning towards more upside here, and my target that I was looking at on XRP was leaning upwards of $6. That's a number I just had in my mind. That's what I'm thinking about. Dogecoin, I'm not too particularly interested in at the moment. Looks like bulls are attempting a breakout. It's just not that healthy of a chart. It's a lot of back and forth, high volume at the highs. We look on the weekly as well, you know, a lot of high volume, and that's why we're getting a lot of consolidation, because look how high that volume was. And then we have bag holders from the past. Just Dogecoin doesn't seem like the play for me right now. Just looking at it, it does not seem too appealing to me at the moment. TRUMPCOIN, interesting. XRP, interesting. Fartcoin, interesting. You know, those are the ones I'm looking at personally. If I was a crypto bull, those are the ones I'd probably be playing. Ethereum, boring. I mean, maybe it'll pick up at some point, but it's been really boring for a long time. It does not seem like the play right now. XLM, similar to what I was saying on Doge. It's a lot of back and forth here. The bulls are trying to get an uptrend forming, but look at the volume at the highs. I don't like this too much personally. If I'm a bull side, Fartcoin, TRUMPCOIN, XRP. Bitcoin obviously still holding up pretty good. So just, I mean, I was seeing if they get a double top. They did temporarily, but it looks like the bulls are coming right back up to retest that high. Those are the ones that look more on the bullish side. Sol as well broke to a new all-time high, but high volume here. I wouldn't be surprised if this ends up getting a pullback on Solana. Just look at that volume that came in. I think that's going to trap a lot of bag holders personally. Like, that is one of the highest volume ever, and it squeezed out this volume from the low down over here. It's almost the same height as there. So I think this might be a fake out. We might get a dip on Solana. So that's what I'm looking for here. So Solana bearish, my mindset. Fartcoin bullish, Bitcoin bullish, XRP bullish, Ethereum, just no comment. Doge bearish. Yeah, Solana bearish. That's what I'm thinking. XLM, no comment. That's my thought for crypto.